Hello, my name is Eric Walker. I'm studying a Master's of Science in Digital Marketing at Full Sail University, and this is my Internet Marketing Mastery Journey. The first course that I'll be studying is Mastery Personal Development and Leadership. From this course, I plan on being able to obtain the goals to grow and maintain thought leadership by showing appreciation, recognition, and empathy for my team. By doing so, I'll be planning on studying the book Inclusive Leadership, the Definitive Guide to developing and executing an impactful diversity and inclusion strategy. The next goal is going to be to improve emotional intelligence and EQ, including understanding self-awareness, self-regulation, social awareness, social regulation, and motivation. By doing so, I'll be using the tactics with the book Emotional Intelligence 2.0 Talent Smart. The next goal is going to be focus on areas to revisit, reassess, and readjust on a weekly basis for improvement. Being able to do so, I plan on using the website www.entrepreneur.com. There are different resources that they have on that site. The next course would be Internet Marketing Fundamentals. In this course, my goals are going to be to create an online reputation by managing social profiles and monitoring brands. By doing so, using the website from referralrock.com, there's a blog post called Your Online Reputation Management Strategy Guide. I'll be using that to be able to actually create a good online reputation. The next goal is going to be to build brand awareness as an influencer. By doing so, I'll be using a book from O'Reilly called The Community Manager's Playbook and how to build brand awareness and customer engagement. The next goal is going to be implement a marketing strategy to help with increasing revenue. And by doing so, I'll be using the book called How to Create a Revenue Generating B2B Marketing Strategy by Andrew Najulian. The next course is going to be Digital Storytelling and Branding. This course, I'll be having goals of improving voice control and command to be clear and audible. By utilizing this, I plan on using the book called Powered by Storytelling, Excavate, Craft, and Present Stories to Transform Business Communications. The next goal is going to be to start mornings with a daily journal. By doing so, I'll be using the masterclass on daily journal, which is from masterclass.com. My third goal for this course will be learn and understanding the 4 P's of storytelling. By doing so, I'll be using a Vimeo blog called Storytelling the Still Motion Way. The next course will be Internet Consumer Behavior and Analysis. This course, my goals are going to be to develop an example of an internet marketing plan. And by doing so, I'll be achieving this using the book called Marketing Plans for Services, A Complete Guide, the 3rd edition. The next goal will be acquiring new leads and customers. And by doing so, I'll be using the website from Top Dog Social Media, a blog post based on 10 surprisingly simple lead generation strategies. The next goal after that will be to plan my digital marketing campaign goals and strategies prior to the end of the timeline. By doing so, I'll be using the book called The Ultimate Guide to Strategic Marketing, Real-World Methods for Developing Successful Long-Term Marketing Plans. The course after that will be Web Design and Usability. By doing this, my goal is going to be to improve interaction with existing and potential customers, develop skills in digital imaging through Adobe Photoshop. By doing so, I'll be using the book called Adobe Photoshop Classrooms in the book. The goal after that is going to be to become an authority resource. So being able to actually use Moz.com, there's a guide on Beginner's Guide to SEO that I'll be using to understand how to become an authoritative resource from my website once it's developed. The next course will be New Media Marketing. The goal for this course is going to be to enhance public relations, build brand awareness by increasing engagement, and establish most important metrics and KPIs. The resources that I'll be using for this course will be the book Social Media Organizational Identity and Public Relations, The Challenge of Authenticity, the book called 60-Minute Brand Strategist, the Essential Brand Book for Marketing Professionals, and then a website on how to select marketing metrics and KPIs to prove your strategy works from coschedule.com. The next course is going to be Advanced Internet Marketing Strategies. The goals for this course are going to be to establish automated campaigns and design personalized customer journeys, establish a global standardization strategy, and determine a why behind starting and having an affiliate marketing program will be efficient. The books I'll be using and resources I'll be using to achieve these are going to be Marketing Automation for Dummies. Through the web, I'll be using researching a complete guide to global standardization strategies. And then I'll also be using a book called Affiliate Marketing for Dummies. The course after this is going to be Advanced Search Engine Optimization. The goal here is going to be goal of the optimal number of conversions to maximize the business within marketing budget. Achieve leads from an organic search. Understand the development of search engine optimization. And the resources I'll be using are going to be books. The book called The Big Stretch 90 Days to Expand Your Dreams, Crush Your Goals, and Create Your Own Success. How to Set and Achieve Realistic SEO Goals via the web. And then a blog website called Search Engine Journal. The next course is going to be Strategic Internet Public Relations. And this course, the goals are going to be to generate brand mentions to support the SEO strategy, positioning my brand by publishing blog posts, and then being able to generate follow links to support a brand's SEO strategy. The resources that I'll be using are going to be the websites for PR Planning 101, Defining Objectives, Strategies, and Tactics. The next one will be a book called WordPress SEO Success, Search Engine Optimization for Your WordPress website or blog. And then the other book is going to be SEO for Dummies, 7th edition. For the Web Analytics and Optimization course, I'll be having goals of learning and understanding Google Analytics, the ABC structure. The book I'll be using is Google Analytics Integrations. The goal will also be to develop a multi-channel strategy that involves macro and micro goals and setting SMART goals based on business objectives and web metrics. And also I'll be using LinkedIn Learning resources of becoming a digital marketing specialist and setting team and employee goals using SMART methodology. The next course after that will be Internet and the Law. My goals are going to be to create a master list of different intellectual properties, budget for IP protection, and understand how the FTC affects marketing and advertising. The resources I'll be using for this course are going to be LinkedIn Learning, Business Law for Managers, a book called Intellectual Property and Assessing Its Financial Values, and then a PDF file based off of the FTC website on advertising and marketing on the internet. The course after that is going to be Internet Marketing Campaign Development, in which my goals for this course are going to be to learn strategies on how to get closer to customers through dialogue and participation, extend brand online to multiple social platforms and channels, understand all types of internet marketing strategies, values, and various campaign models. The books that I'll be using are going to be Marketing Strategy from the Masters, and then LinkedIn Learning resources on email marketing, drip campaigns, and managing email marketing list and campaigns. The industry leaders that I'll be working with are going to be 3 different companies: Kara Elwood from Adidas, Michelle O'Mohana from Adidas, Ralph Newberg from Nike, Will Lime from Nike, Jack Daly and Dana Tan are both from Under Armour. The clubs and organizations that I'll be participating in are going to be Sports Marketing Associations, Content Marketing Institute, E-Marketing Associate Network, North American Society for Sports Management. The professional learning networks that I'll be utilizing are these different companies here: Nike, Adidas, Puma, Lululemon, New Balance, Fila, Adidas, and Under Armour. The clubs and organizations through Full Sail that I'll be participating in are going to be Grammy University Network, Pure Motivation, Collegiate DECA. The different mentor qualities that I feel to be important in a mentor are that they care about the next generation's success, they're self-aware and enthusiastic, they set a good example as a positive role model, they're intentional with their time, they share experiences rather than advice, they find comfort in being uncomfortable, they're lifelong learners, they provide quality feedback for improvement, they're open, active listeners, and they extend their network. The beginning of the timeline will be month 1, study and master personal development and leadership, develop professional leadership skills. Month 2, internet marketing fundamentals, understanding influence of digital marketing and analyzing strategic methods for success. Month 3 will be digital storytelling and branding, understand to articulate my own personal brand identity. Month 4 will be internet consumer behavior and analysis, to identify specific internet marketing campaigns and how to develop internet marketing plans. Month 5, web design and usability, understanding the web design and user interface principles to analyze web standards, interface, and usability. Month 6 will be new media marketing, learn how an organization's new media approaches will accomplish its marketing goals. Month 7 will be advanced internet marketing strategies, identify many components of internet marketing to examine each component marketing approach. Month 8, advanced search engine optimization, build on previous course content, including organic search methods, directory listings, new trends, and search marketing goals. Month 9, strategic internal public relations, examine proactive public relations methods and addresses how publicists can become an integral part of protecting the image of a company. Month 10, web analytics and optimization, to create and provide a measuring system, define a trend of characteristics within a company's internet marketing structure. Month 11, internet and the law, addresses emerging topics relating to the legal aspects of the internet. And then month 12 will end with me being able to actually create and develop and addressing an internet marketing campaign development, which will address how to analyze the best campaign strategies and how to create these campaigns.